In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print emails and attachments in Gmail quickly and easily. This is a simple but super useful skill if you need a hard copy of an important message, an invoice, a receipt, a work conversation, or a document someone sent you by email. We'll go step by step so you can print exactly what you need without getting confused. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one inbox. Once Gmail loads, find the email you want to print. You can use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific sender, subject, or keyword. When you locate the message, click to open it so the full email appears on the screen. Now that the email is open, look for the print icon in the top right corner of the message. This is the quickest way to print the email exactly as it appears in Gmail. Click that print icon and Gmail will open your print preview window. In this preview, you can see how the message will look on paper before you actually print it. Next, select your printer from the list of available printers. If you have multiple printers connected, double check that you choose the correct one. After that, review your print settings. Depending on your device and browser, you may be able to choose options like which pages to print, portrait or landscape layout, color or black and white, and paper size. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks right, because these settings can affect how the email is formatted on the page. Once your printer and settings are ready, click print. Your email will begin printing immediately. If the message is long, the preview may span multiple pages, so it's always a good idea to confirm the page count before printing. Now let's go over how to print an attachment in Gmail. This is slightly different because you're printing the file that was attached to the email rather than the email message itself. First, open the email that contains the attachment, then click the attachment to open it. Depending on the file type, Gmail may show a preview inside your browser. After the attachment opens, look for the print icon for the attachment itself. Click that icon and the print window will appear for the file. From here, select your printer and adjust the settings just like before. You can choose the layout, color settings, and any other available options before sending it to print. When everything looks correct, click print. The attachment will now print from Gmail and you'll have a physical copy of the file. And that's it. You now know how to print both emails and attachments in Gmail in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.